Did your Xiaomi, Redmi, or POCO phone just get left behind? Because Xiaomi brand new HyperOS 3 is rolling out globally. And guess what? A long list of devices won't be getting it. If you're wondering whether your phone made the cut or not, stay tuned because this list might surprise you. So, Xiaomi is all set to roll out HyperOS 3, its latest Android 16-based custom skin. This update brings major performance improvements, a smoother UI, and new AI features. But unfortunately, not every device is getting the upgrade. Several older Xiaomi, Redmi, and POCO models are being left behind this time. So let's go through the list of phones that won't receive the HyperOS 3 update, starting with Xiaomi's own lineup: Xiaomi 11i series, Xiaomi 12X, Xiaomi Mi 11 Lite, Xiaomi 12 Lite, Xiaomi 11T series, Xiaomi Mi 11 Lite Nate, Xiaomi Mi 11X series, Xiaomi Mi 11 series, Xiaomi Mi Mix Fold, Xiaomi Mix 4, Xiaomi Pad 5 series, and Xiaomi Civi. So yeah, even some of the once flagship devices like the Mi 11 series are out of the game this year. Next up, POCO users, you might want to pay attention here. These models won't be getting HyperOS 3 either. POCO C71, C75, C65, C51, and C55, POCO M6 series and M5 series, POCO X for GT and X5 series, POCO F for and F for GT, and the POCO M4. So, most budget and mid-range POCO phones are missing the cut this time. And finally, Redmi. The list here is even longer. Redmi A2 series, Redmi 12C and Redmi 12 series, Redmi Note 13 series, Redmi Note 12, 12S, 12R, and 12R Pro series. If you own any of these Redmi models, it looks like HyperOS 3 won't be heading your way. Now, before you get too disappointed, remember, Xiaomi is focusing its new HyperOS 3 rollout mainly on the latest flagship models like the Xiaomi 15 series, which are already in beta testing. That said, even if your phone didn't make the list, you'll still continue to receive security patches and minor stability updates for a while. But the big Android 16-based HyperOS 3 features, those are reserved for the newer devices. So, what do you think? Is your phone on the list? Or did you get lucky with HyperOS 3? Drop your device name in the comments below. And if you want more OS update videos like this one, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss the next update from your favorite tech brands. Thanks for watching.